There's plenty of room for me to actually put the anchor points here. I'm gonna actually do about 1.5 inches in. Okay, so let's go mark about 1.5 inches in, and then about 1.5 inches here. So that's the point. So let me go ahead and confirm that. There. I just wanted something that it wasn't too close to the edge where it may crack. So I'm just gonna go ahead and choose 1.5 inches. That is, again, guys, just an eyeball. There's no real reason for me to go with that. So 1.5 inches. That's the next point. So let me double check. All right, let me go ahead and mark the other ones. All right, so those are all the points that I have marked up. Let's go ahead and drill these out. Okay, let's go ahead and mark the holes.